pretty amazing.
Oh yeah, that one rack, it's all broke down.
Oh yeah.
Growing atypical anyway. Who'd have thought they came down to the beach?
I know. I saw about 3 or 4 cows back there in that meadow.
Yeah?
Kind of, I just happened to look in an area and there they were.
Huh.
They come down for a day at the cool day at the beach.
Yeah.
That man, that wide open out through there, ain't it? Go for it. Dip. Down in there, and that there's a pretty good size.
Yeah, he's racking, you just barely see it.
Yeah.
This is the boys, both of them at Hill McNeil.
Yeah.